To remove the power button board, first remove the side cover, the optical drive, and partially remove the front bezel. Detach the power button board connector from the board. Detach the two Phillips No. 1 screws that secure the power button board to the front bezel. Pull the power button board off of the front bezel. The power button board has two small holes on the board that fit over alignment pegs on the front bezel. To replace the board, press the holes on the board over the pegs on the bezel. Secure the power button board to the front bezel with its two Phillips No. 1 screws. Reattach the power button board connector to the board.